In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign out and remove existing profile from Outlook. By the end, you'll know 2 clean ways to tidy up Outlook on your desktop. Removing an entire Outlook profile or removing just a single email account while keeping everything else intact. Before we begin, a quick note on terminology. An Outlook profile is a container that holds all of your email accounts, data files, and personalized settings. Deleting a profile wipes all of that for the selected profile. If you only need to disconnect one mailbox but keep others, the account removal method is the safer choice. Keep that in mind as you decide which path to follow. Let's start with removing an entire profile. With the Outlook desktop app open, go to the File tab in the top left corner. From there, choose Account Settings, and then select Manage Profiles. In the window that appears, click Show Profiles. You'll see a list of profiles configured on this computer. Select the profile you want to delete. Then click Remove. You'll be asked to confirm. This step is permanent for that profile, and it will delete all email accounts, data files, and settings associated with it. If here is anything you might need later, consider backing up important items beforehand or verifying they're safely stored on the server. Once removed, the next time you open Outlook, you'll be prompted to create or choose a profile, which is a good way to get a clean start. If you don't want to remove the entire profile and only need to remove a specific email account, here is how to do that. Again, go to the File tab. Select Account Settings and then click Account Settings in the drop-down. In the Email tab, find the account you want to remove, select it, and click Remove. Confirm when prompted. This disconnects that single account while leaving the rest of your profile, other accounts, and personalized settings untouched. It's an easy way to streamline your mailbox list without resetting everything. A couple of helpful tips as you work. If labels or options look slightly different, you are likely on a different Outlook build. But the path through file and account settings remains consistent. Also, if you rely on local data files, be mindful that profile removal affects those. When in doubt, double-check which profile or account you are acting on before you click Remove. That's it. Thanks for watching.